Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to download, install and activate latest version of Microsoft Excel on your Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. We'll be working directly with Microsoft's official website so everything is safe and reliable. By the end of this guide, Excel will be fully ready for spreadsheets, data analysis and all your Excel tasks. Make sure to watch the video till the end and follow each step carefully so you can install it easily. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. I will guide you through each step, so follow me carefully. The first step to download the necessary files. Open your browser and search for Office Deployment Tool. Click the first result from Microsoft. Choose your language and download the tool. It's a small tool and downloads quickly. Next, open a new tab and search for Office Customization Tool. Open the first result. This tool lets us customize the installation so we only install Excel. Start by selecting the correct architecture, either 32-bit or 64-bit. In the Office Suite section, choose Office Professional Plus 2024. Scroll through the apps. Here we will select Excel only. If you need any other Office app, then you can select that. Then go to the language section and pick your preferred language. Click Next. Now scroll down and click on Last section. Scroll again and click Finish. Finally, click Export. Use Office Open XML formats. Accept the agreements and export again. This gives you the second file we need. Now go to your Downloads folder. These are the two files we downloaded. Now our first step is completed. Next step is to remove older versions of any Office app, if you already installed. Having other versions can cause errors. Open Settings. Go to Apps. And check your list of installed programs. If you see any older Excel or Office versions, uninstall them before continuing. Now we will create a folder for the setup files. This will keep everything organized. Go to your Downloads folder. Copy the two files you just downloaded. Open your C drive. Here, create a new folder and rename it Excel 2024. and paste them into the Excel folder on your C drive. Now open the setup file. Accept the agreement and click Continue. When asked where to extract files, choose the Excel folder in C drive. The tool will unpack everything needed into that folder. Now we will start the installation. Search for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Go back to the Excel folder. Click the address bar and copy the folder path. In Command Prompt, type CD followed by a space. Paste the path and press Enter. Enter this command showing on the screen. And press Enter again. This will start the Microsoft Office installation. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once installation is complete, close the setup window. Open the Start menu and you should see Excel. If it doesn't appear immediately, use the search bar to find it. Open Excel to confirm it's working properly. And that's it. Excel 2019 is now installed and ready to use on your Windows PC.